Hey guys, a lawyer and a policy analyst, Isaac Anumudu, had stated that the Election Tribunal petition case filed against the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu can be decided in 7 days. He urged that the petitions filed by the two major candidates, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, are under literally rules. He ascertained that the law is clear about the FCT and that of the 25% required in 2 or 3 of the states and the FCT. According to him, and in this context, it is a congestion and it has to be mandated for any candidate before it can be declared winner of an election. He said, now we have lawyers. We have various modes of interpretation. We have the golden rules and other rules. But the basic is the literary rule, where the law is literally clear. It did not add anything to it. If the law says you must have 2 or 3 of the states and the FCT and have means conjunction here, and here it means conjunction, and there is the argument that what if the university says you must get English and mathematics before you are admitted to read medicine, and you get 8 other credits but you lack English and mathematics, will they admit you? The answer is no. So that is what the law says. That can be decided by the tribunal. It does not need 180 days to be decided. Nigerians are still talking. Nigerians are still talking about the 25% in FCT. Recall that the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not get the requirement then. So majority of Nigerians are saying that even Peter Obi, the Labour Party presidential candidate who is challenging him right now in the court, says Bola Tinubu cannot be Nigerian president because he did not get the requirement in FCT, which is 25%, and Bola Tinubu did not win in Abuja. So this 25% of a thing is actually causing controversies. APC have said that Abuja FCT is a city in Nigeria as well. It's a capital city. Okay, FCT is not on its own. Why are they talking about 25% in FCT? That cannot determine whether someone lost election and all that. So they said that 25% in FCT will not work, and for that Bola Tinubu remains the president-elect. Now this lawyer and a policy analyst, his name is Isaac Anumudu, he has stated that the Election Tribunal petition case filed against the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu can be decided even within 7 days. According to him, the petition filed by the two major candidates, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, are under literary rules. He ascertained that the law is clear about the FCT and that the 25% required in 2 or 3 of the states and the FCT, according to him, and it is the contest in a conjunction, and it has to be mandated for any candidate before it can be declared a winner of an election. He said, now we have lawyers, we now have various modes of interpretation, we now have the golden rules and the other rules, but the basic is the literally rules, where the law is literally clear. Don't add anything to it. Now he gave one illustration. He said, if the law says you must have 2 or 3 of the states and the FCT, and here means conjunction, and there is this argument that if the university says you must get English and mathematics before you are admitted to read medicine, and you get 8 other credits but you lack English and mathematics, Will they admit you? He asked. The answer is no. So if that is what the law says, that can be declared by the tribunal. It does not need 180 days to do so. And someone said here, there is nothing like 25% in Abuja. If a candidate gets 2 or 3 of 25 states and above, you only need Abuja if you have 25% in 24 states. Please, abeg, make we tell ourselves the truth. These 25% in Abuja they are talking about, is that what they have been doing before? Or they just want to change it now because it's against the ruling party favor? Abeg, make we do am the way when they do am before, because of tomorrow. If the law says if you did not, get 25% in Abuja, that you cannot be Nigerian president, they should follow that. Then if the law have said, oh, it doesn't matter, you can be Nigerian president without getting 25% in Abuja, okay, good. But here, what I'm trying to say here is that we should do it the way Nigeria has been practicing it before. Nothing should be changed because of anybody. It is very important to avoid issues in future. Because some other lawyers are saying that something like this has happened during the former president Olusegun Obasanjo and President Muhammadu Buhari. And something like that, they rule that if you do not win 25% in Abuja, you cannot be Nigerian president. And that rule was against President Muhammadu Buhari then, when he was going for court for redress. Nigerians, you've all heard it now. So guys, let's quickly hear from you. What's your take on this? Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Thank you for this coming out here. God bless you. Bye for now.